have to say bye to my Z for a couple days. Bye, Monica. Be good. How's everyone doing today? Obviously it's a rainy day. It's gonna be raining here, I think, Monday and Tuesday. And of course, I am going back to Michigan today. So I'm looking for a week of rain, which is perfectly fine. I enjoy rain. Some people don't like it. I enjoy it. So let's go inside. I'm gonna get my stuff ready and pack the car and get ready to head out. Okay, let's talk about what's gonna be happening in Michigan. Obviously today's vlog is gonna be short because I'm gonna be driving the whole day. I will be doing another vlog on the Whipple Supercharged 2018 F-150. I'm gonna focus more on the supercharger this time, just to talk over the underhood components that are installed, explain the stage differences, stage 1, stage 2, and probably do some more driving. I'm not sure yet how long I'm gonna be in Michigan. It's usually a couple days, but we got so much things going on in Michigan at this point of time with development work that I can't even say when I'll be back. But hopefully we'll get some good footage and some cool content. Obviously, I enjoy doing YouTube, and I want to touch a few things with some of the equipment that I want to get. I want to add a wish list or things that I'm getting next. Currently, I am using Canon G7X, I have a GoPro, I have a Canon G9. Those are my main cameras that I use. Why Karma or GoPro Karma drone? That's because I can get one for $400 or $500 and I already have a Hero 5 GoPro. The only thing makes sense, why not get the Karma drone? Makes sense to me, right? I'm still debating, either 70D or 80D. I have to improve my quality and I want a nice microphone that you guys can hear me a lot clearer. I don't know if the drone or camera. I think camera will be first because I want more equipment to film on a daily basis. Drone, yeah, it's awesome to have a drone and I can also use it daily. So both of them are kind of like, so those are some of the things that I want to get like right now. Hello.
Was that
Peekaboo!
Was that your little talk beforehand to get me on camera?
Yeah, it was. I like your shirt. Selena, how was your Monday morning?
Raining.
What do you think about the last vlog that was made?
I don't know, which one are you talking about?
I got you off guard. Now you have to just say what you think.
Oh my gosh. Oh, your car.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I've seen better.
Oh, there she goes. There she goes.
Just kidding. No, it's a nice car. Good luck. Congratulations, guys.
The car is a car, but how'd you enjoy the vlog?
Oh.
Was the vlog enjoyable?
Yeah, it was nice.
Thank you, Lena. Driving for a long 4 hours and 13 minutes and 5 seconds. It's time for a little break. We do have a spot that we like to stop by driving from Michigan or to Michigan, and that is Georgetown, Kentucky. And what's so special about Georgetown, Kentucky? Not only the fuel station that is located right off the interstate, but they also have a Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, it's a buffet. time. Yeah, these things, they're hot. Just eat a little bit at a time, not the whole thing. We're here, and this is the end of the vlog. Long trip, long road. See you guys tomorrow for more adventures. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.